Hey guys, Pat Tokuyama here. Today I wanted to talk about some of my favorite microphones for video or audio production. The last mic that I have here is not necessarily one that you're going to be able to use with a camera, but rather for the DJI Osmo Pocket. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket microphone, and I got it specifically to use with the Pocket, and it really adds to the quality of sound, as you might imagine using a microphone usually would. So being able to talk while I'm holding the gimbal out at a distance makes a big deal, because obviously the mic's on the gimbal. The further away it is from you, the less it's going to pick up, and it's just not going to sound as good. So that's why I got this. And some of the pros, it has a very fast and stable connection. Usually after I turn on the switch, connects right away. The second thing is that it sounds good, just like any lav mic would sound. It's really hard to tell a difference. If I was doing like a blind test, I don't know if I would be able to tell. There is an option for a lav here, so even though I have the little dead cat on, there's a little mic input there if you wanted to use that. I just use it with the mic since I'm usually walking around or something and I don't want to deal with cords. It clips to your shirt. And there is a power indicator, so when it's on, there's a little red dot there to let you know that the switch is on, and plus there's a blinking light. And then on the gimbal, you're gonna get the notification that it's connected, and you'll be able to see that there's a little icon that moves. So those are the pros. Some of the cons I would say is that it would be nice to have a battery level indicator. It's hard to know how much battery is left in here, so maybe on the next version they can do that. There is no gain feature, so you can't adjust the sensitivity or the gain of this mic. You're just kind of stuck with it. I don't know if there is on the Osmo, there might be, but can't say that I've tried searching for it because the audio has been fine. There is no low cut feature, which would help to reduce some of the wind, noise, or other low frequencies that might muddy or muffle or cause some low end disturbances in your audio. That would have been nice to have, maybe for the next version. And there really isn't any option to use this with other devices, unfortunately. So it's a proprietary mic that I believe you can only connect to the Pocket. It would have been great if they let you connect it to some of the other devices as well, which I guess now they have the other wireless mic set to do so. But overall, like I mentioned, I wanted this to be able to get good audio when I'm holding the gimbal at a distance, and this does that. I hope you found that helpful. So yeah, that was everything I had to say about the mics that I currently use for my videos and audio production. Hopefully that was helpful for you as you decide which mics will work best for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.